So let's just talk about pricing before we get in it, because it's not free and you are going to get different options. Obviously, it's pretty much dependent on the size of the database and the page views a month that you're going to be paying on. A lot of you will be starting, if you're just starting a forum out on this this version here, where you're going to get basic plugins. The next version up, you get the basic plus 5 more, and then you get 10 more. Then there's a custom option on the enterprise level. What you're looking at is $20 a month if you're in the USA, $29 a month if you're in Europe. This is because of Europe's data protection laws and people being able to ask for their information and for it to be deleted. So they capture the data differently in Europe than in outside of the EU. For that reason, it's just a little bit more money. But you're looking at, what's that, £8 a month, £8 a week. Honestly, if you value your time, this is going to save you so much time. It's such an easier way of doing it, from the whole setup process, saving your time, to the thing will just work straight away. So you're looking at $29 a month if you're in Europe and $20 a month if you're in outside of Europe, really. So let's get into it. Let's set it up.